It's snowing. The first snow. Official snow. New Jersey. The Northeast. Snowstorm. It is 5:57 in the morning, Saturday, December 21st. And I am on my way to my office. I don't feel bad, there's a few people waiting for the bus. So my strategy is I walk towards the light rail while waiting for the bus. I used to do this before when I picked up a routine. Also when my schedule was like a little bit more hectic, because I used to work 7 to 4, and ever since I've been in this new place that I live at, my commute is a little bit more strenuous. But I should have put my gloves on. I should have put my boots on. I'm wearing some Nike shoes right now that are weather resistant, so testing these out. It's the snow is picking up. The snow is picking up. Let's see if this bus is almost here. Ooh. I'm doing something that I've always hated that people do. Walking on the street when it snows. But I remember someone saying, yeah, they should clean the streets. It's so true. Ooh, I gotta try this place. Definitely gotta try that place out. I definitely should have grabbed like some warm drink. But then my hands will be out. So where I live now, so I grew up here all my life. All my life I had to fight. I grew up here in Jersey City. Born and raised. Moved to Seattle. Lived there for almost 2 years and then came back to the East Coast. This bus is not coming. This is the part where this is definitely a winter storm. What I do like is that some of these places are open early, that are usually open as well while I was going to work. Oh my gosh, no. I would have been mad if this was my bus. Some of these mom and pops are open this early. Right? But let's get back to the subject. Yeah, I was born and raised, came back here from Seattle, and I'm not gonna lie, Seattle's beautiful. Seattle, my voice is a little bit messed up. Still getting over a cold. I keep getting sick. Keep getting cold symptoms, and oh my gosh, this light rail, man. The light rail station is over there, and the light rail's not here. The bus is in here, and this is the concerning part because I have to be in the office by 7. It's like 6 right now. I woke up, I set an alarm for 5. And I honestly was like, yo, my body's tired. It's Saturday, you know. I have a project going on that I've taken charge of. So, you know, I'm responsible for that. But, yeah, it's just frustrating, you know. I think, I don't know. But there's people coming, so I'm gonna just chill. I'm like recording real quick.